Airbnb didn't ring the opening bell on Wall Street this morning. Instead, it had its hosts ring their doorbells around the world. The company was founded back in 2008 by an unemployed Brian Chesky and two roommates.
Are you at all concerned?
Today, before shares started trading, Chesky was on Bloomberg TV and was told the value of his company would likely come in around $90 billion US.
That's the first time I've heard that number.
The price actually went even higher. It soared to more than $100 billion at one point. It's a lot of money for a company that has never turned a profit. Airbnb's legal findings for the IPO said, "We have incurred net losses in each year since inception, and we may not be able to achieve profitability." After years of expansion and years of loss, Airbnb was clobbered when travel was all but shut down during the pandemic. But the company pivoted to focus on local travel once the first wave of restrictions was lifted.
People are doing less long-distance traveling, more short-distance traveling. They are quarantining outside of their families' places.
Analysts say many tech companies have built themselves up without a profit. The real question is whether Airbnb can make money down the road.
If they can survive 2020 and actually show some positive momentum, what can they do in a normal market?
But what is normal now anyway? The economy has been absolutely crushed by COVID. Millions of people lost their jobs. Millions are still struggling. The stock markets are setting records.
And it is important to make that differentiation between the stock market and the economy, because they're not even close right now.
Right now, there are two economies and two recoveries. Those who could work from home with investments going way up, and laid off workers struggling just to get by, for whom an IPO may as well be taking place on a different planet. Peter Armstrong, CBC News, Toronto.